How to delete Pinterest search history. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. This video is valid for both iOS and Android devices. So first, open your Pinterest app and here on the search icon, click on that on the bottom left, and then for search for ideas, click on it. And here, for example, I have recently searched cars, so you can click on the X icon here. Once you click on that, your search history, you might have multiple options, but you have to click on every X and automatically everything will be deleted. And if you go back and you open Pinterest again, and if you go to the search icon and I click on it again, your search history on Pinterest is deleted. So if this video helped on how to delete Pinterest search history, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching.